Okay, this is video 2 about how to use the ELSA 2024 Sched app. In video 1, we explained how to download the app and how to go ahead and find the ELSA 2024 Sched. So just remember, you should have downloaded the Sched app from the Play Store already. In this video, I'm going to show you how to accept your ELSA 2024 Sched app invitation. The first thing you need to do is go to your Gmail. You're going to find the email that says you're invited to ELSA 2024. Once you're on this email, you're going to look, it's not very clear, but there is a link here, create your profile and schedule. Go ahead and click that link. Okay, and you are going to be prompted to enter a new password. Don't get confused, there's no old password. Okay, just enter your password. This is not a password that we give you, it is one that you create. Your password must be at least 8 characters long. So you see here I have entered a password. Once you have entered the same password twice, you're going to hit Save Password. Okay, what you're going to need to do here, probably when you open up your profile, where you see privacy and email, it's a good idea to make your profile and schedule public. Then other people at the conference can find you, make contact with you, etc. At this stage, this is all you need to do. I'm going to recommend that you update your profile in the app itself. So what you want to do is just scroll down and hit Save Settings. And then that is going to be the end of this video, tutorial 2. In this video we've shown you how to accept your invitation and how to save your basic profile. In the next video I'm going to show you how to actually combine these by using the app.